it holds the overnight, if it holds, not the overnight, yesterday's RTH high, which is 67.22 quarter. So let's see if that acts as support right here when we get to the open. If we do get a, you know, a swing low or any kind of responsive selling or profit taking, which is basically the same thing. If we get some, let's see how far down we go. If it does manage to hold that, then that would be interesting. Probably bode well for the bulls for the day, at least early. So let's just wait and see.
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Robert, as well. Good to see you guys.
What is up, boys? Good morning. Good morning.
Robert, you'll be good. You'll be happy to know I've ordered some RAM.
Oh yes, he has.
Proud of me, Robert. Can I fly you out to the UK to install it for me, please?
He ordered some RAM, but it's not a pickup truck. So, ooh, nice little sell. Well, we got a little activity here now, a little movement going right into the open.
See, what's annoying is on the NQ footprint right now. Like, I'll be all about buying this. We're in a gap. There's trap sellers.
Yeah.
2 candles ago, I would love to buy that, but we're too close to the open.
I agree.
Too dangerous.
I agree. Yeah.
Just doing any last second preps to my charts right now. Got my big grandpa cursor now because of yesterday with us adjusting our cursors so that they can be seen on the
oh yeah, you do it. Oh good, that's a good point.
I feel like I'm 85 years old with this thing.
Yeah, now you know. Yeah, you need it. You need it. So I have to use that. Like I have one of those old big phones with the jumbo numbers to push. No, I'm kidding.
But it's for the betterment of the program, so I shall do it and keep it.
So we can't see my cursor. No. You know what it is? No, can we? Oh yeah, we can. We can see my cursor still. Okay.
Yeah.
Your cursor?
Yeah, we are. I'm looking at the. Yeah. I'm delayed on YouTube. Okay, perfect. But I can make it bigger. But I do like when we switch over to Trading View for the Mag 7. We get that nice. I forget what they call it, like a diagram pointer that's kind of built into the toolbar. That thing's really cool. And I wish we had that here. You know, I wish we had that. Otherwise, we wouldn't have to do this little circle or blob that we use to kind of go around and highlight stuff.
Yeah.
Just be clean and easy.
All right.
Oh wow, let's go down.
Go.
Let's sell a little. Down to 28.
Bit of a sell-off. Ooh, lots of sell pressure coming in.
Totally.
Oof.
All right.
I saw a bell there.
Angry.
I didn't hear it, but I saw a little ding, 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 ding. We'll make the sound. We'll make the audio.
Yeah, the people on YouTube would hear it, but.
Oh, is that the case? Oh.
I think so, yeah.
Oh. What is up, Tiger? Tiger in the house.
All right, this is a very interesting.
Yes.
Person.
So Robert Machero is buying his ticket to Heathrow, Sam. So you got to pick him up in the Maserati, as moderator Mike says. And but the thing is,
yes.
Robert, it's all good, but you're gonna have to probably sit in that cramped 2+2 back seat because he's got all the pizza boxes in the passenger seat, and you're gonna have to make some deliveries on the way back. So yeah, you know, sacrifices have to be made. What can I tell you? All right, came down to 26. Is pretty good. We're holding here anyway. Wow, look at that.
Let's see what happens. Give it another few minutes. But I'm calling it down day. I'm calling it.
All right.
This is a nice. There's not really much buying.
We haven't gotten over the swing high. There we go. Finally got over the swing high.
Well, just now we literally had a bit of buying.
Yeah, literally, right. Exactly.
I'm want to get short.
I am not calling
I
it.
don't want to chase the market. I'm gonna wait. Good pullback. Too risky.
Longs. Long, long, long. Long, I'm long. For
Long already.
67.50. Yeah, I'm long already. Let's go down. I'm in at like 67.32. Right here at the top. Holding point of control VWAP in mid, all right there, and we got a ton of liquidity above that I think we can get to. But 67.50, so I've got to take profit at 67.51, just over that. Let me expand this, and I'll update the chat so we can get my position on there for everyone.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We're going to put the high there of the regular session.
All right, where am I?
Below here.
Got to keep a wide stop too. Volatility is still increased here, but I want to keep it below, like, I want to keep it above kind of like the high of yesterday. I'm comfortable, right? Maybe to 25. All right, let's get in here. Ooh, shoot.
It's an interesting one. I'm seeing. I did jump in
Yeah,
short.
nothing's happened yet.
But only one contract, just two. But I think I may have ran a bit too quick into that one. I was expecting those sellers to follow through a bit, but they're not.
Okay.
No. Yeah, that big pop. All right, I took a bit of a hit on that one.
Wow.
But that's fine. That's fine.
I like it when you call me Big Pop.
I do think. Yeah. I should have held that. Never mind.
It's not doing anything yet. It's just faffing around, Sam. It's just faffing, ready for a breakout to the high, I think.
It's a faffer today. We have a faffer.
All right.
Faffer.
I love it when you call me Big Fuffa.
Just ate through a little bit of liquidity there. I know you saw that, Daryl.
Yeah, I heard it in my ear. Okay, hold here. Good.
There we go.
Good.
There we go.
Let's see. What do we have?
Lots of sellers coming in.
The
Oh, they
best
get
one.
absorbed very quickly there. There we go. Push that down now. Come on.
Wow, yeah, Nasdaq's.
All right.
How's a
Broke
nice
even
little-
again. From that loss to two shorts. One I got stopped out on. The other one.
Besant and Greer are going to be speaking on China, so that will probably be a big mover here. Are they speaking already? They're already. I see. I can watch it on YouTube. Let's see.
We are fatting around here.
Mirren is speaking again at 12:30 Eastern, so we don't have much until then. We don't have a whole lot until then. Let's see what's going on. Go to YouTube. Are they talking? They're talking. Talk about rare earths. All right. They're at a press conference on the economy.
Okay.
That's
What a general press conference. We talk about economy.
yeah,
Good.
but I think what they're gonna. I mean, there's already a bunch of commentary in, like in Financial Juice, just coming off here.
Yeah.
I mean,
No way.
Greer started out by saying the U.S. and its allies will not accept China's restrictions. China is exercising economic coercion. I mean, they're like making China out to be the bad boy, right? China export restrictions are a global supply chain power grab. I mean, come on, dude. You don't think the U.S. is the same way? It's like, I mean, it's just like, you got two big superpowers, so of course they're going to say that about each other. And now Besant's saying moderate Democrats should be heroes and reopen the government. They should kind of take the side of the Republicans because they're moderates. They're not the, total we'll call them the woke liberals, if you will, in the House. So I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming
Right,
off that
so-
they're talking about.
Got some interesting stuff here at play. I see both buy and sell, but I don't like that a lot of buyers entered and sellers are potentially trapped. But we also just here, there's a lot of sell pressure that was in that big candle there that might offend it. So it might be worth, if they start defending. Let's have a look. Are they defending? They're not really defending too much. Yeah, sellers defended it. Jump in for another short. Just a quick scalp. Let's drop it down now. There we go.
Oh wow. Yeah.
It's going, boom. I have to get out. 'Cause right there, we have buyers. Oh, they're getting defended now. It's too tight of an area. This is very hard to trade. It's going to be super quick. It's too tight of an area. Let one area break, either this one or that one. One of these two will break, and then there can be a trade. But I'm still more on the side of shorting the market than buying it. That would have worked out nicely, but never mind.
Oh wow.
It's just too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice little leg down there on the Nasdaq.
Well, up $86. I'm going to cash that in, lock the account. Jeez.
Go get dinner. Go get some lunch or
I'm done.
lunch for yourself.
Finished. All right. Let's find the next area where we could see some potential buying come in. Really, I don't want to be looking at buying the market until the NQ reaches 24,851. This area here. But we do have a point of control right here, which could definitely cause a bit of, reaction. Maybe. Oh, lots of buyers entered again, but it's very choppy.
Yeah.
No one's
Definitely.
giving up. No one's yet giving up. I'm going to let it play out for a bit because the direction for me, although I'm leaning more on the short side, I am not confident enough to be like, I wouldn't mind taking a buy position in this market as well, if it gave me the opportunity. So yeah, I don't know if it's going to be more of a range day, if we're actually going to trend today. It's very hard. I can't make heads or tails of it.
Right.
Tom says there's a lot of good stuff for it to grab down there, so I'm letting it play out before anything. Very good, Tom. Very good. I'm doing the exact same thing now. I'm going to be a bit more careful. Be a bit more careful.
I'm just chilling.
I'm only so full of viewers because this is now a funded account. Obviously, you saw me the other days on a practice account do like full porting. That stuff has to stop, obviously. Most contracts I'll put on this account would be 2 contracts. I wouldn't be looking at putting on 3 or 5 or anything more. 2 contracts would be the most, and that will be only if I really see a great position. I'll put in 2, but otherwise just 1 contract. I'm not, and because it's going to be very hard to blow an account if you're just using 1 contract, right? I mean, it can happen, but you're gonna have to be doing some real over trading and some real bad luck almost if you blow an account, a 150k account with 1 contract. So yeah.
Yeah, it allows you to have more time in the market to fight, to get these funded accounts or challenge accounts in the green.
That's it.
Making sure you limit the position size, not too much, but don't overextend or.
And I would say,
Yeah.
if you hit negative 1,000, call it a day. If you make 1,000, also be happy to walk away and lock that in. Obviously, you can kind of flex a bit with the rules if you're, if the day's really good and it's, just you can see opportunity after opportunity and you want to push for a bit more. That's fine. But if it's like just kind of a standard day trading for you, you're up 1,000, and it wasn't that easy to get that 1,000 with one contract, then call it a day. You know, have that limit, the upper limit and lower limit, and you know, unless you have 4.5 losing days in a row, you'll generally be fine if you have that limit. And you know, it can happen, but there's a good chance it's unlikely to happen. You know, yeah, as long as you are pretty sensible.
All right, what is happening?
Man, all right. He's really ranging right now. Daryl, let's hope that
might be a good short here, actually.
I'm
decent
sorry.
breakout.
I've been quiet because I've been listening. I'm listening to Besant and Greer. They're answering questions. Pretty insightful. I mean, they're just pointing the finger at the Chinese economic ambassadors that came to D.C. and they had the agreement in Geneva, and China went back on their word. They stopped providing magnets to U.S. auto manufacturers, etc. So, but I'm back in long. I was in the break even. I got out. I just kind of waited. I got back in long. So I'm kind of riding, currently targeting the overnight high at 67.41. If we get above that, then I'm targeting the 67.50 where there is a bunch of lots sitting there. So
Got it.
yeah. So I heard you guys, but I was just kind of
short.
kind of quiet.
Yeah, no worries.
It still looks good for a short. I'm gonna go in again. I keep going in for this short, and it's just so choppy. I'm being super careful. I didn't get stopped out, but I manually closed out because I didn't like the amount of buys that entered.
That's good.
If it
Damn.
pushes back up,
Crazy.
I'll be a bit annoyed.
Crazy. Oh man, I'm missing it.
Extension now, come on.
It's okay. You know why?
Don't get absorbed here.
Because we're just chilling. We're
Come on,
chilling
sellers,
out.
don't get absorbed.
Chill
Buyers
mode.
are coming in. I'm out.
Chilly.
Ah,
All right, let's get this on the
it's too
30
choppy.
or 30, the
Too-
15
It did break through, but it's
seconds.
fine. Too
We're gonna
choppy.
start marking out some auto trend lines
It's not a smooth
and
mark.
see that it
Yeah,
is
it's a
all
bit more
crazy. It's
smooth.
crazy, huh? It is crazy. You know what? Let's start configuring auto trend lines thickness.
Yes, down.
That is basically all it gives us.
and the Russell are doing better than the Nasdaq at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lot.
Russell.
Well, sure.
Russell.
Russell.
Auto trend.
So Ambassador Greer was just saying that Trump is planning to still meet up with Xi in South Korea at some point. You know, they're trying to. I mean, it's crazy. They're just hammering on China about. They're just a state-run, you know, country. They're not a capitalistic country. They're not looking out for the best interests in the world. They're looking to take advantage of all the other countries. And they had a great agreement, and China's just gone back at the 11th hour, and they're just really incendiary on their comments about the U.S. and Trump and all this. And yeah, it's like, they just want to point. Everyone's pointing fingers. Damn.
Yeah.
They're aggressive. All right, we're above the overnight high. I don't know if I'm. I don't know if I'm sharing. I should probably share my screen here because I'm in a long.
You are.
All right, I gotta mute these guys. All right, you guys gotta stop. They're just yapping in my ear. All right, enough of that. Sorry,
Darryl, we'll
it's hard to
yap
listen
in your
to. I was listening to everything. I'm listening to my data feed. I'm listening to these guys talking. I'm listening to some guy named Sam yapping. I don't know who this guy is. Some Sam guy. It's just too much. Too much.
Daryl. Hello, Daryl. So, if you
Do
look
the
really
echo.
carefully, Daryl, pay attention, Daryl. Hey, Daryl.
Do the echo.
Daryl,
There you go.
Daryl.
This is-
pay attention, Daryl. Look over there. Look. Daryl, behind you.
Oh, the ghost?
Dang it.
All right, let's see
Leaf
if
blower,
I can get
Daryl.
in here.
There's a crow
leaf
behind
blower.
you, Daryl.
Oh, the crow. Damn, yeah. There'll be a crow later, I'm sure. I'm sure. Oh,
I was just
Okay.
about to go short. Literally,
Alright.
just about to hit
I got
short.
into I got into break even, which is good.
6.75.
It's probably some comment from Besson here. Let me go back to him live. Let me go back.
Ah, that's so annoying. I was about to click one contract and then it...
Oh, we're good. We're holding. I'm going back in long. I just got taken out because I moved to break even, but I still get the same move.
That was some decent sell volume there.
It was. I think that was a little
Breaking
sweet,
odd.
little stock pick. We'll back up.
Move.
You know what I'm thinking, to be fair.
Wouldn't the opposite of break even be... What would you say the opposite of break even is? Making money? So shouldn't it be called fix odd?
I don't
Breaking odd?
If you made
Breaking
money
bad?
in the day, you'd be like, yeah, fixed odds.
I don't
Break
think
even,
there is-
breaking
No, 'cause
bad?
opposite of break is fixing.
I don't think there is an
Or
opposite
maybe
to break.
accelerate odd.
The concept of break even, I think, is not.
Either side.
There is no opposite.
Yeah.
So I don't think you could even
Wow, yeah,
do a
true.
play on words there.
It's a shame. I would say if I make money, knock it. Yeah, fixed odds.
Hold on.
Fixed odds.
Fixed odds there.
425.
Sounds like a different kind of fixed odds. It sounds like you're fixing a horse race or something. I don't even know. You're in the black
Exactly.
market for horse racing
You'd be making
gambling.
money
here.
if you did that.
Sounds like Peaky Blinders or something. That's what I think of when I when I hear that. The fixed odds.
Oh dear. Oh, this is a very choppy market. I do feel it wants to go down more and more, but
Wow.
They're talking about Brazil, 50% tariffs on Brazil.
all right, there's a lot of good sell contracts. What's Brazil done?
20.
There is nothing for me right now. I've got nothing.
Hold that. We haven't come down to yesterday's high yet.
No one is
Almost.
safe from
Very
these
close.
tariffs.
Oh god, these guys! I can't listen to them.
Yeah, I'd be looking support
They want to
here
put tariffs on.
No, there's already tariffs on Brazil. They're just they're answering questions. They're answering questions from the media. You know, like the question was asked, like, why is the U.S. Why is the U.S. putting 50% tariffs on Brazil compared to other South American countries? And they're like, oh, because the ruler of Brazil is a man. I mean, they're just, I don't know. They're just like, I can't listen to it right now. Too much going on. Too much going on. What is what's the news saying? Is it coming out with anything on these guys?
I heard Trump
There we
wants
go,
to put
back up.
tariffs on prop traders as well.
Yeah.
Sat there and you're saying, Hola Prime, it's giving 50% off. I don't know if we are actually. I think we have a sale, maybe. I don't know.
I want to move that. There you go.
Coming
Yeah.
up with prop money at Daryl.
Let's go. We held nicely there. Let's get up to the upside. There we go. Let's go.
I just
There we go.
no.
Bad is back in the chat. Hola amigos to you. Spad.
Hola. Hola amigos and hola prime, Spad.
Buenos dias.
Oh
Is
yeah.
that the right one? Is it
Que onda?
daytime? Yeah, there we
Que
go.
onda, baby.
Wow. Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Here we go. Jeez Louise. Little move back into the opening print
Yep.
here on the ES.
Yep.
I mean,
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's going on here.
This is a situation where I wanted to see the ES come down 2 more points to be able to get long there, and it did not give that to me, unfortunately.
To
That
tag the high of
stinks.
yesterday?
Yeah,
You're
that
holding
really
that. Yeah.
stinks.
Yeah. Well, I had my stop down there. I was lured. So let's go. We got
Said-
liquidity at every 5 points up here.
Dang.
Bad just confirmed in a chat. He is Spanish. He said, I am very Spanish. That's what he said.
AKA, he is not Spanish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Say the opposite of everything he says.
Let's go, baby. Long it up. Let's go. Eat through. We got staggered liquidity at every 5 points here. 40, 45, 50 in the book. They're not all
Casual
even.
14.
But they could,
Casual
yeah, it could be
14-point
pulling.
rip.
Ooh, let's do it. Let's do
This
it.
is a nasty, nasty market.
Oh no, this is clean. This is rotational. I mean, this is absolutely
Nah,
rotational.
this-
We've been holding above.
this is
We
a
kind of
nice
opened
spot.
up. We
Oh,
just
yeah.
checked on the other side of point of control, and this last one we
What is
finally had a
that?
breakdown. It came down to a new low of day below the opening swing low, but now we're back up above. This is clean, man. That's why I've gotten long a few times here after I've gotten out of break even or a little better, because I don't know. I mean, I don't know. You're right. We
How's
could be still
Trailblaze?
coming down, but I think we're gonna take out all those
I don't know.
resting orders sitting up there at
Doesn't really
67.50. They've been sitting there. They've been sitting there since like 7:30 Eastern. They came in the book. So let's go get them. Let's go get them.
All right, we're logged into Rhythmic.
Pick them off. And then
Get
all right,
logged
so
into
it's overnight
Trailblaze.
highs, now the IB.
Wow.
IB high. Let's see. What was all that noise?
Okay, cool.
All right, get above.
Good stuff.
Make a new high. Pop up again, make a new high.
Don't make high.
What's
Let's
that?
get down.
Get down.
So don't make a
So
new
you
high.
came
Let's
in,
get
rotate.
down.
So it could come back here and maybe just like, let's do a nice little move up. Tag that out.
We want to go down, don't we, chat? We want a down day. We've had enough of these up days. They're very boring.
We've had some good down days.
No one wants up day.
We've had some good down days.
We want more down days. Don't we, chat?
We just want the range. Not necessarily a range day. We just want
We don't want
range.
range.
What is this?
I heard that,
We
Mr. Peeps. I
wanna
thought of
go down.
someone vacuuming. I don't know what that was from.
Yeah.
Maybe Sam was vacuuming.
No, I didn't hear anything. I have no idea.
Yeah, I heard somebody vacuuming too.
It's a ghost.
I think it was
The ghost.
Sam's abuela or something. It was
Sam's
bad.
black cat that
It
jumped
was-
in the bathroom window. Is that cat still here? Is that cat still hanging out at your house?
No,
He come
I
back
let it
last
out
night?
instantly.
Yeah.
No.
But it may have came back last night. Who knows, right? Open the
I'll
window
check the
again
window
and in it
first.
comes. All right, let's
Probably
go.
will.
Pop up here.
All right, I'm not even sure
Get
what
through all this.
this thing is doing.
Oh,
I didn't abduct the cat yet, Daryl. I did let it out. It wasn't like, you cannot leave my house.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't have much to feed it besides, healthy ingredients.
That's
Probably
true.
doesn't want to eat that.
Exactly. And we know cats don't want healthy ingredients.
They don't want bell peppers and
Cats like
pasta and
junk
stuff
food.
like that. Yeah, they want, they want.
They don't want healthy
Although-
ingredients.
There we go. Get up here.
Yes, man.
Get up to 50, baby.
I got stopped out from a short
What a
there.
Look at
Sucker.
that. Look at
Absolute.
Why? Why?
that. Don't. I told you, Sam. I told
This
you what
market's
was going to
beating me
happen.
up, man.
I told you it was going to happen early on.
No.
Glad you're at least
This
in the
is-
long, Daryl.
This is manipulation.
Someone's in a long. Someone's got to be in a long here. All right, I got to
Yeah.
get into profit. I got to lock into profit a bit.
This
There
is
we go.
this is ICT fault. This
Oh,
is,
God.
just ICT.
I'm going to ban you for using those
Algorithm.
letters. I'm going to ban you. You're banned off the channel. Curse words. Moderator, we got to ban this guy, Sam, for using crazy stuff.
Daryl loves ICT. I don't know what you're on about. You're like the biggest ICT trader I've ever seen.
Iced tea? Is that what you're saying? Are you saying iced tea? I
Yes.
can't hear you quite.
No, that's
quite
me.
properly.
I'm the
Iced
iced
tea.
tea trader. I'm trading iced tea futures.
Daryl's joined the gold membership platinum card. He's got lifetime access to all the
Jesus.
videos and magazine subscriptions. Goes to their fundraisers as well.
Let's get up there. Come
He
on.
knocks around his local doors trying to collect money
Get through the 50. Get through the 50.
for the ICT Foundation.
All right, here we go.
Ah, you
Yeah,
are the
let's
worst.
Go.
What is wrong
No,
with this?
when you say that, it's funny. You are the worst. Oh, God.
Nah, this is terrible, man. This is terrible.
There we go.
This
Wait to the
is
50. Come on,
absolute-
take me out. Take me out. Get my take profit. Get through it. Nice.
Why?
48.
All right, what am I missing here?
What do you
I'm
mean
obviously
why? What do you mean
missing
why? There's
something
fuel.
here. This
There's
is
fuel
ridiculous.
up there, buddy. There's fuel.
Nah, there's no fuel.
It's
Something.
perfect.
There we go.
It's a perfect
This is
long.
not making any sense right now. It's
It
not
could
even
even
in
go to
Stellar's
60.
trapped. What the hell is?
It could even go to 60. Let's move to 60.
Connected.
A little over 60. See if it wants to keep going.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent suggests possibility of longer China tariff truce.
Yep. Which means that's only going to kick the can down the road on the tariffs and, you know, the big stuff that's going to affect. So, God.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be like second quarter next year or who knows when, right? Like,
10 minutes, we've ripped 24 points in the ES here. I mean, this is a move.
push through. Push through.
We are in, guys.
Warning papers are
Point
sent
of
to you
control
again.
really did hold up.
Yes, it did, buddy. Welcome to the world of volume profile.
Okay, looks like we're
It's
going
a
to go
scam. Scam.
This is why you're outnumbered here, 2-1. You know, Paul and I are
Absolutely.
volume profile guys. He's market profile, volume profile, whatever you want to call it. See? Come on, let's go.
What do you think all these lines are on my chart now?
Those are gaps. I know. I know. I hear you. But you're talking about the
Created
point
by?
of control.
Which
Yeah.
tool?
Volume. Volume. I know. Oh, come on. Hold. Hold.
There
It
we
takes
go.
a minute.
There we
Did it
go.
win?
The profile of volume.
What is going on?
Nah, this is
I broke it.
this is a scam
Alright.
right now. They're pulling a
Alright.
scam.
All right. I'm done.
The market
Oh,
oracle
that's good.
cannot be wrong. We should know this by now. This is a scam.
All right, cool.
Actually, that is right.
1,500 change. That's good.
awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Good stuff, Daryl. Nice trades, man. I mean,
Go with
I am
75.
livid that it came within 2 points of my target long.
Look at
and,
this. Now it's gonna go. Now it's
jump
gonna. Oh, okay. Liquidity at 60 just got pulled. All right, that's the. So maybe it was good that I got out here. Let's see if it rolls over.
Go.
Not sure what's going on with this window, so we're gonna just go ahead and.
All right. We do have the news. So,
All right.
All right. Oh, yeah.
if you're
coffee
happy,
break.
Darryl, if you want to grab your coffee. As usual.
Look, dude. I'm going. Thank you.
Get out of here.
All right.
Good day, everyone. Markets are leaning risk on this morning. Traders are doubling down on Fed rate cut bets after Chair Powell's dovish tone. Equity futures are firmer, the dollar is softer, and gold has broken new record highs. US-China trade tensions remain a wildcard, with new port fees and rare earth controls shaking up commodities. Sterling is slightly stronger against the dollar. Investors are watching Chancellor Rachel Reeves' budget outlook closely. Markets expect the Bank of England to hold rates steady next month, but inflation remains sticky. The US dollar is under mild pressure as traders continue to price in rate cuts before year end. In Asia, the Reserve Bank of India stepped in aggressively to support the rupee. State banks sold dollars heavily, forcing US dollar INR back in below the 88 level. This shows just how sensitive emerging market currencies are to US policy shifts and central bank action. Elsewhere, the Japanese yen remains firm as traders test intervention levels near 142. Gold has exploded higher, breaking through the $4,200 mark for the first time ever. The rally is driven by expectations of lower real yields, central bank buying, and growing geopolitical risks. Silver and platinum are also moving higher in sympathy. Analysts warn that while momentum is strong, the market is getting crowded with speculative longs. Oil is struggling under surplus concerns. The International Energy... Sorry, do excuse me, viewers. Need a bit of water there. The International Energy Agency warned that a global glut would develop by 2026. WTI crude remains heavy around key support levels as traders await the next inventory report.
All right.
Trade tensions between the US and China are also weighing on energy demand forecasts. Equity index futures are pushing higher before the US Open. Strong bank earnings and a powerful rally in metals have lifted overall sentiment. Materials and mining stocks are leading in early trade. Volatility eased overnight, with the VIX pulling back after yesterday's brief spike. In crypto markets, it's a sea of green this morning. Bitcoin is trading around $112,700 and Ethereum near $4,160. Roughly 95 of the top 100 cryptocurrencies are up as traders ride the same lower rates narrative. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs saw strong inflows again, supporting the latest surge. Institutional investors continue to favor the major crypto ETFs. Fund managers argue that holding simple spot exposure is outperforming complex token baskets. Liquidity remains patchy during sharp moves, with some venues experiencing brief outages during high volatility. Still, momentum remains firmly on the bullish side for now. For the rest of the day, all eyes are on the Fed's communication. Any hawkish comments could trigger a sharp dollar rebound and pressure metals lower. Traders are also watching for developments in the US-China trade dispute. Headline risk remains high, particularly for industrial commodities and Asian currencies. Gold's breakout has invited fresh trend following positions, but with positioning already stretched, the risk of a sharp pullback is growing. In emerging markets, central banks remain ready to defend their currencies at any sign of weakness.
Let's go.
Traders should stay nimble around key fixing and data releases. To sum it up, gold at record highs, oil under pressure, the dollar softening, and crypto in full risk-on mode. Volatility is creeping back and traders are preparing for another big week of policy headlines and earnings. That's your market wrap for Wednesday, October 15th, 2025. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep your eyes on the data.
Get you back over
Up next,
here.
we're back to trading with myself, Paul,
This
and
is the trade
Daryl.
we're in. We're looking for 100.
Oh man. What's died there?
Come on, you can make it up. You can make it up there.
All right.
Oh, look at that. Daryl's
You
not
can
back.
do it.
Ah,
He couldn't make it. Just
terrible.
I know.
Terrible,
What a-
Daryl.
Let's
What a
freaking
guy.
go. Target is technically like
Last time he
186
Unacceptable.
or something.
did like
We go
seconds,
lower.
it was perfect timing.
I would probably say
Couldn't
180,
do it
but
this
we're even
time.
going even lower than that.
When he
Alright, it's
comes
probably
back,
gonna come back
we're just gonna
to
have to ignore him.
A
Pretend he
little
doesn't
bit
exist.
right there.
We'll have to,
Gonna take this out maybe, then go up. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh,
There
there
we
he
Quit
is.
go.
your faffing. Quit your faffing. Quit your faffing. I know. I'm coming.
Just a little bit more.
Go down there. The dog's like, I gotta go out. I'm like, really?
We can do
Can't
it.
wait?
We can do it.
Spad, I am.
Let's
Paul,
go.
do you
We're
hear
in our
something,
profit
Paul?
target.
I
I
hear
don't know.
it's almost like another person
Yeah.
talking.
easy.
Yeah, I don't know.
What are we
Don't know.
doing with our
All I know is that
lives?
They didn't bother to show up on time, so I don't know why.
Look. I was going. I had to go down to Colombia for my coffee, and look at what the ES did. Look
crazy,
what the Fed
guys.
did. It's continuing to go.
Yeah,
up.
it's
You know, just
crazy.
having the
This is what's
sessions.
going on.
I'm telling
Should have held for
you,
60.
you go
Look
to
at that. I
Oil
should have held
Prime,
for 60.
join.
That's beautiful move.
We'll go to YouTube,
Beautiful
Oil Prime
move,
TV.
man.
Find their Discord.
Honestly, based on the open, I am
Watch the
shocked that
stream
we
if you want
pushed up
to.
like that, man.
If you don't
I
want to
really
watch
am.
the stream, that's fine.
Yeah.
The sellers really looked like they
That's
had
okay.
it on the open.
We don't. But book a session with the coaches.
But
Even
we
if
will
it's
be
to
approaching a
confirm
very
your
interesting
strategy.
period,
Like,
so
look at this is just probably gonna go to target 3, but
see
I'm
what
okay.
happens.
I'm okay where I am.
Wow,
I don't
man.
even need
What a
anything else.
freaking
This account, this account right
Excuse me,
here
right?
is the one that we are
Yeah,
going
I
to
got
stick with.
something like
Lodge.
tickling my
We will
throat.
get there.
You got a
Yeah.
you got a hairball from that cat. That's what it is. That black
But it
cat.
is
I'm telling you,
the
it left you a
The
big bunch of
one
hair
that we
in
just.
your bathroom. You got a hairball. You can't get
It's
rid
crazy.
of it. It's the curse.
crazy.
The black cat curse.
It's wild.
It could be. I don't know.
Maybe.
Someone's trying to poison me.
See, the crazy thing
Okay.
is that it's nothing new.
Avenge me.
I think it's a cat in your rack. Honestly, I think that cat has just been hanging around with you for months now, and you didn't know. And then eventually,
Yeah, it-
finally, it was like, "Let me in," and it jumped in
Nothing
your
new.
window. And
Okay.
It could have been the thing that
Could've.
took out your rodent. It could have eaten the rat. Maybe the cat
So
got
do we
the
want
rat.
to take a
Yeah,
look
could've,
at
yeah.
Tick Blaze
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Also?
Absolutely. You know.
So we also have
so you owe that cat your life.
Prop Shop Trader.
Exactly.
We got an account. Shout out to
Oh,
FSP,
man.
our
good
future
friend.
I'm like
scout-
Paul right now though, where
scalper.
I'm not surprised with the move up to collect
Check out
all
his
this.
channel. Shout out to him.
Kind of get above.
I won one of the giveaways.
Well,
If it wasn't for him, I would not be trying this company out.
That we came so close.
Not necessarily.
to
He did advertise it,
retesting
and
the
I
high of
did
yesterday,
look.
Right? We came
Don't
so
know.
close. What did we come? How far away were we?
You
We're
know
like
what we're.
2 points?
No.
I think it is.
Not what I wanted.
And so
Interesting.
Yeah, like 2 points away. So
Ooh,
yeah,
okay.
It'll
like that.
probably come back down at some point.
So we're gonna check this platform out as
Very
well.
strange. I
But
mean,
it doesn't have to.
We're gonna drop this down to.
straight up.
Ooh, this is
straight
kind of
up
cool.
now, like on the, yeah, I
We
mean,
got ranges.
It's hard.
Yeah.
This is one of the. This is again. I've said it in the past.
We
we've
got
talked about this in the
volume.
past, where It's these are one of those moves where people.
I'm gonna set it to the 5 minute real quick. I wanna get-
Yeah.
Push
Look
the
at this,
buy
still
button.
going.
Yeah.
Woo.
Wow.
The delta is big.
Jump into the
dude.
deep end.
The delta is so
Cumulative is
big.
very big for. we've
So I
crossed
think-
4,000
oh,
on the
It does
Nasdaq
take
already.
long though.
To buy
Does
it.
take
11.
long.
11 on the ES.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And
11,000
it is a
on
rhythmic
ES,
account,
It's
so
all
we're
these
gonna
buy
go
the
ahead
dip
and
people,
see
man. Everyone's just buying the
if
dip.
we can
That's what it
figure
is.
out
That's what
this
it is.
situation
And,
right.
but don't forget, we're
Why
going back
not?
to, we got to get up here. We're almost up to the scene of the crime in a way, to where the
It does
tweak
take
dropped
long,
everything,
symbol
which I said
dot
was kind of around
exchange.
this 86,
So do we
85. So
put
another
in
20 points, we could still
Q
go up here.
Dot
I
CME.
mean, there's as we continue to move up here in the book, we got another 215 contracts at 67.80.
We're gonna put
We've
this
got
real
other-
quick
we've
at
got,
the
my God,
5 minute.
400 contracts
While
at
this is
6,800,
taking,
which
it
is
is
obviously a
sweet
psychological
time.
level anyway to get back up above 6,800. And I would imagine that if we do get closer, that's going to continue to increase with limit orders on the offer sitting there. So
That's how
yeah, I
wanna
mean,
do it real quick.
dude,
Mm.
it's auction. It's a beautiful thing when you see it like this. It's kind of impressive, actually.
I
to
need
get
to
impressed by
double.
this stuff.
I need to double check this. I know that this doesn't have to do with day trading necessarily or anything, or us trading in the futures markets here intraday or whatever. But every once in a while, I like to check on this. I need to double
Alt
check
H,
this.
so we
stat
can
here.
be like, bam.
from
like it.
like pie charts is
And
showing
then
that
Alt H.
the current
That's
PE
actually
ratio
really
of the
nice.
S&P 500 is 27.88. I don't know if that's right or not. And that's high. Let's just put it that way. 2009 out of this one supposedly. That is high, man. I mean,
27.
Recall.
Yeah.
you're
I
never
actually
going to call
believe-
it a job based on PE ratio. That's the point of this. It's the point of
That's
this
where
is
it's at.
why I was just curious about it right now. I just wanted to see, speaking, like, whether the is from a fundamental perspective somewhat overextended. It can stay overextended like
I'm
this for
gonna
long
move to the 5
period of
minute
time,
real
so
quick.
it would matter for us, but that is quite interesting. 28 PE, my goodness.
Oh yeah, it is. Well, interesting.
That's what I thought.
I have to keep my mic closer to me. Be very close. Do I sound okay though?
Sound
I
great.
think.
All right, good,
Sound
good.
good. You sound really
Nice.
good. Paul sounds a little distant this morning.
Am I a little distant?
Oh,
It's
there
not
we
like
go.
your mic. That's much
Oh.
better.
There we
That
are.
was, I stepped away from the mic a little bit. That's why.
Yeah, that's fine. It's all good.
That's fine, Paulie. It's all right, Paulie.
Okay. Look at that. All right, so yeah, we'll see if we get up. See if we get up above 75. We had a little bit of a retracement here, which is healthy.
Yeah.
Just to come back here down to
I
60
don't
again where
know.
the liquidity was. But I think I would love it to come back a little more for me to get long again. I love
What's
it
going
to
on
come
here?
back to the VWAP per mid around the 45, 43, but I don't know if it's going to give it to me. I mean, it came
Give it
up-
to me.
It went to the 60. It went as high up as like 67 almost. So it came back 7 points to retest that previous volume.
Mm.
And it's consolidating. Okay, here we go. Let's come down a little more. Okay.
It's a very
That's not at all
confusing
confusing.
one. Like, to me, this looks like we're going to push down again, but then at the same time, we're not really at any special area.
What? Oh, okay. That's just
No, you
volume
don't have to
bars.
be at
I
any
like it.
special area. When it's trending like this, it's just, it's just like get on the wave, you know? It's just one of these things.
No, but this is my point. This looks like the little uptrend this looks like we could just rotate all the way back down again. Based on
could.
what I'm seeing on the
Could.
footprint. That's what it's looking like to me.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I can't figure this market out right this second.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the cumulative looking like? 3.7. So we've dropped 300 on the condo. See, now big buyers are coming in again. Okay, so maybe this is just a retracement, and then
That's what I'm thinking. I'm back in long.
I don't know. I really
All right,
don't
I'm back
know,
in
man.
long.
It's
I'm
a
back
tough
in
one.
long. Let's see.
Wow.
Go outside the shore. Little volume here.
All right, we'll have
Keep it
to
big,
play
keep
with
it
that.
Stop roughly. It's a big one. It's a big one. We got a lot of movement here. So I'm back in long, guys, on the ES. 2 lots. All I've traded is 2 lots today. I haven't gotten more. Oops. God, I can't even type.
See what kind
Huge
of
buyers
data
actually
series
coming
we
in,
could see.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Not surprisingly, sorry, but 150, 200,
Can you tell us about these views, guys?
354,
tell us
close
about
to
it?
400 contracts.
I'll
All
pitch your sales.
green.
But you
on the
or not, you
delta.
don't have to.
Yeah, fair play. So maybe that was just a
We got
little.
boxes with candlesticks.
See if those
We've
buyers
got
defend that.
dot on
I don't know.
close.
I really don't know.
We got
I
the
mean, I
line.
would like it to go
We
to
got
25,133
the
in
mountain
the NQ.
And then we got
Then that
open
could be a
high.
really nice
close low.
area.
Sure.
Interesting. All right.
Which it looks like it might actually do. I mean, it's only how many points away from the high?
Got
23
long,
points. It can do. NQ can do that. It can
Got
do
long?
23
Alright.
points.
got long
Of course it
cattle.
could.
Got long
All right.
cattle, not.
Move it. Move it.
Honestly,
I
I'm
like
just.
to move it. Move it.
It's an easy. It's not an easy trade. It's like
Theoretical
the easiest
Target.
concept of just simply we've essentially just wrote to cap. I'm looking for rotation back to the
No,
outside
I think
of
our
the
target
days
should
range,
be
so
200.
nothing super crazy
if
or anything.
our-
Terrible fill again.
what's it called?
on
It
the
is
illiquid
100
market, it's harder
or
to get a
200.
good fill here.
Good call, Tom. Good call. Good
Instead of
call.
the other way
Take a little
around.
break, clearing your head or whatever if you need to. But
Yeah,
remember, I'm
but-
reading what you're saying here, Tom, and it's you feel like the trapping and stuff. I know that, but you know it's hard because
Yeah.
we all want to find a
Kinda makes
reason for
sense.
why it's doing this or that or the
Kind
other.
of
Sometimes
makes
there's just no reason. It's just the market. It just is what it is, and you kind of almost got to dumb it down. Like just don't be too smart for your own good, if you will. Right? It's just trade what you see, what it's
Yep.
doing.
So true.
Right, so we don't need to worry about that account anymore.
All right. Let's see.
I want some coffee.
Did you get through the news
Yeah,
real
well,
quick there, Sam, or was I
Ah,
long?
it was longer than usual.
Oh boy.
You're just exceptionally slow. You just took your time. You offended not only
I had
your
to
fellow
down.
coaches.
I had to download
offended Ola
level
Prime.
1 data. I had to download level 1 data.
offended-
I had to make coffee, and then the dog wanted to go outside and download level 1 data. So it was like a double tap. It was crazy.
Yeah.
And he wouldn't
Don't
get his.
blame-
And he doesn't come back in. He likes to go all over the damn yard and sniff where all the rabbits came in last night. And oh my God, he's a nut. He's nuts. He frickin' goes after lizards and rabbits like he's crazy. My dog, it's crazy.
Don't blame your poor organization on your dog, Daryl.
I'm like,
That's low.
get back in
That's
the
a
house,
low
and he's
move.
like looking at me. I'm like, get back in. I got to get on the air. Don't you listen to me? He's like, huh?
No.
I'm like, don't you speak English? Hmm?
I think you should apologize to the viewers, Daryl, for your
No.
your rudeness.
They were in safe hands with you. They were perfect. They were perfect.
I think the more data we can figure out and look at is
Still a little ways.
normally
away.
the worst thing, but
1,000.
kind of curious on if there's a way we can refine. And here's the problem. I usually go from one strategy to another in a weird way.
that hairball.
I tried to refine process and then end up somewhere else. I think
Maybe.
having the coaching session at least put into perspective that what I'm already doing and just find I have to be a little bit more.
Bam bam.
All right. Oh, I knew it was coming.
And jump in there. Jump in there, you know what I mean?
By the end of the year, I think that might be a goal of mine to get
Oh.
that tone. That
I was
that-
waiting for him to. I'm thinking
too.
maybe he got it down. I'm thinking maybe he got it down. Maybe he
Need to
practiced last night or something, right?
figure
No.
Definitely
Need
not.
to get that
Life
tune in
that
order.
way.
Need to
It
get
sounded
the
so
gear.
good.
You know
You
what I
started
mean?
out really well with that. A couple of that little dun dun
So
dun dun, and I'm like waiting in anticipation, and then you hear this.
we gotta make it happen. Gotta make it happen if we
What
want
the
to
hell?
take the wins.
I
And we just
try.
seen today.
I try
We
my
just we
best.
waited,
I'm
Oh,
being
he's gonna be like-
bullied.
waited for the
fools,
trade to
yeah.
happen.
Yeah.
Now we're in
Bullied
another.
for my
Now we can
exceptional
actually
talent.
trade.
That's
So you
jealousy
know what I'm
right
gonna
there,
do?
viewers.
Jealousy.
Yes, it is jealousy because I know you did this for like in high school for your talent show. You won
to
by
stop.
doing a little.
Made the one
song.
trade
I know,
on the
whatever,
account that
whatever you want to
matters.
call that. That was your gift.
We're gonna
Absolutely.
gift to
not be on that
mankind.
account,
Absolutely.
Like,
just so I'm not, you know.
yeah.
Actually,
let's get up
looking
again.
at another account.
Keep going. Let's keep going. Can we get through this? 10 minutes to the IB. Boy, we got a pretty good 40-plus point range on the ES, which is nice. Not like yesterday. I mean, this is early. This is the IB, but what did we get yesterday? Like 125 points or something. It was pretty good.
You know,
Yeah.
in professional circles, Daryl, it's not called the IB, it's called the IB. The IB.
The ib.
The ib.
Yeah.
To the
All
ib.
the pros
Hop. The
would
ibby
say
to the ibby.
the
The
ib.
ib. No. I don't know. The ib.
They're like, get me out of the IB. 100 contracts at the IB now. Give me a seller on the phone.
I could
I
create.
want price
I
executed
could.
at the IB.
I'll invent my new indicator. I'll call it the ib. Call it the ib. I'll give you some copyright protection on it. So if anyone says ib, they got to give Sam a royalty. Just the way it is. Hey,
That's it.
looking out for you, man. I'm looking out for you.
And like
Just
when
an
they do
additional
their
stream
little
of
hand
income.
gestures, I think on the trading floor, it's that. That means like, get me on the IB. You can't really see it, but that's meant to be a B.
Oh, okay.
I
okay.
can't really
I
do a
gotcha.
B in my hand, but
Like
it
an
sounds
IB, like an
So-
I with a B in it.
That's
Okay.
it, the IB. Oh no, it's
okay.
lowercase b. Yeah. They're like
Ah.
5 contracts, IB.
Mm.
That's what they do.
Yeah. Open outcry on the floor. They just go like this, and then it means I'm in.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
God. Oh boy.
Paul used to do
So
that
funny.
in
No.
his
Yeah,
institutional days.
Yeah.
He did it with cattle.
They would throw oranges.
What
'cause,
was
you know,
the
they'd be
hand
doing
sign for cattle, Paul?
It was.
What did you throw?
It was
Oh,
that. I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hook 'em
I thought
horns.
that's
Maybe
bullish.
that's good. That's
Like
good.
I'm
Hook 'em,
bullish
I like that.
on.
They throw a horseshoe.
I am,
throw
What is it?
Order
Like,
submitted.
I think it was bullish. Like you had a bull ring in your nose.
Oh,
and then
yeah,
you,
yeah.
And then you do that or something like that. I don't know. I'm in a actually really good cattle trade right now. I'm trying to pay attention.
You know what happens? Paul would walk in with a brand, and he would brand you on the rear end or the back on your tricep or something.
Kind of not liking
Send
this
you
trade. It's a little
with
scary.
big brand that's would get you. He'd
All
mark
those
all his
contracts are
he'd
going
mark all his
away.
floor traders who was going to go and trade with him on cattle.
Order
And
canceled.
then,
Order
yeah,
filled.
they're part of the gang at that point,
Oh, I
right?
almost moved it up.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
legit.
In time. Should I mess
So
with
I
that?
did just get out of my cattle long that I had for the
okay.
past like 6 or 7
Okay.
minutes or whatever. But I got terrible execution. I only should have been up about a little bit over 200 there on that, but I only got 150 out of it. So unfortunately, it
yes.
did rotate back up into the range there, so that's good.
Good. Come on, ES. Let's go, baby.
Terrible.
Back up.
Good stuff.
Let's go, ES.
Good stuff.
You know why Chris does this too, Paul? He does this because he trades cattle and also he likes heavy metal, so it's just
Yeah.
Does-
fitting.
Yeah.
Just fitting that we just do this kind of stuff, you know? Yeah.
Yep. Oh man.
Yeah. Chris is a heavy metal trader.
That's right. He is that as well too. That's
Yeah.
right.
That's pretty.
All right. Point of control is now up here at 67.61 half in the ES. Oh no, 67.61 even. But 67.61, we are up here, consolidating along, and to see if we can continue the up move. Let's get the up move. Do, 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 do. Yeah, let's
It's an interesting
No,
market,
this-
to say the least. Looks like we are.
We're trying to
maybe in a little kind
consolidate
of
here?
Stalemate. Yeah, this it's like a little stalemate. Looks like the NQ wanted to break out, got close to the top, and then just sellers came in, but they got very quickly absorbed. This could be the beginning of a small little range that we're going to enter. If it is, I think I will grab some coffee. If we push a little bit lower, then I'll be like, all right, we're in a range, and I'll grab some coffee. I'm not gonna miss anything then.
Yeah, you're gonna miss your move.
Nah.
Sam's gonna go for full market data.
Yeah,
Download.
full depth of market.
That's it.
Full depth of market. That's right. I don't know why I can't remember what I used. Full depth of market.
Upload some coffee, download some full depth of market, and good to go.
Oh boy.
All right.
Oh, full depth of
Oh.
market.
Looked like it went up and hit my
All
profit
right.
target. Oh well. I'm okay with that.
What is that outside?
When I see in the chat, Paul, I see when long LE at 246 is like Paul Lee, your new Twitter handle. I can't
Yep.
see that now anymore.
Yep.
Coach
Yep.
Paul Lee.
It was too easy. As
Perfect.
soon as
Oh,
I was
perfect,
creating
dude,
it, I'm
yeah.
like, it took me literally 10 seconds. I was like, oh, easy. Boom. Boom.
Dude, I bet you there's a domain I bet you there's a URL that you could probably tap into too. That's probably not taken.
That would be pretty
If you
funny.
wanted to roll
Probably.
with it.
That would be pretty
All right,
hilarious.
we are nearing
Doubtful anyone's taken that.
time to leave.
Sam's got his. He bought his. His is I scream from cats. Dot
Yep.
com.
.net.com.
Looks like we did
Dot-
fine.
dot co. Dot uk.
I
I bought a
dot-
few. Catscreamer.com.
The strategy.
Ultimatejogger.com. Ultimatejogger.com. Marathoner.
I like
MichaelPhelpsWannabe.com.
Oh, man.
Healthyliving.com. That's what I have.
There you go. That's perfect.
Okay. So, by the way, when you look at the domain name, paulleIsTaken.com.
Oh, it is.
But this is
Wait,
even
Paul with
funnier.
2 L's? With 2
Yeah,
L's in it?
With 2 L's.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So, but this is even better, I think. Paul ES, like PAULLES. So you'd have Paul with
All
LE
right.
and then the ES in
Yeah,
it
this
too.
is dropping.
Paul,
dropping
like
good.
it would be Paul.
Oh, Paul
ES.
Lee's?
Yeah.
Paul Lee's?
pretty
We're gonna
interesting.
see
It's like
That's funny.
if
because those, I mean, I trade the ES
We-
mainly.
Put
but-
both contracts in there. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
come down to if we come down to here, I'll take a buy.
Paulius.
Polithus.
If
You can
we
also
start
do-
to retrace
and I know it's taken.
Paul
after
Molly.
88.
Like a Les Paul. You put the LE
0.25.
first.
Yeah.
If we start to retrace around there, I wanted to break down to here and then
Your
back up to
Le
here
Paul.
to.
Le Paul,
Paul.
yes. Le
um,
Paul.
oh, I guess we should
Le
have just
Pepe,
jumped
Le
in.
Pew, Le Paul.
It's not.
What is this guy? French? Nope.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Just not what I was looking for.
All right.
It's okay.
Sam,
All right.
important
I
news
just-
break.
it's
The
right
ib, the ib is the ib is set now, Sam. The ib, your famous ib.
The IB.
The ib.
Yeah,
The
we're in,
60-minute
I think
IB.
we're arranging a bit, so I'm gonna grab a coffee real quick.
All right.
I won't take 2 hours like Daryl did. I won't be so
knew that was fair.
disrespectful to the viewers.
All right.
That was funny.
Timer starts now.
Chip, chip, cheerio. If you hear a scream, it'll be Sam going in the kitchen and like, ah, cat! There's a cat! I'm scared.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Love it. Right, so now we're finally it finally extended to somewhere where then it said, "Hey, let's take a break for a second. Let's take a break. Calm down. See if everybody is cool with transacting up here, and then maybe we can make a little bit more of a move higher at that point." But a good 25 minutes of consolidation here, or 20 minutes. 20 minutes of consolidation. Healthy. Healthy.
Do I sound broken
Ooh,
up to
so
you
those
on the
ones went
audio?
away.
No, you don't.
You do.
It still
You do.
never went down to
I
my
know why.
target.
I know why. I know the setting
It'll
that you
probably
have to
go
choose.
up to the next
I had
target
to
of
do the same room yesterday.
129.
Okay. All
I'll type it to
right.
you.
No problem. No problem.
I'm in high.
All
only
let's
had
see
you
if
on
we
the
can,
show together once before, and it was
get up
big
here again.
announcement. I'm assuming,
Extend the
today's,
range north.
will be as well.
Come on.
I was thinking about that.
Point of
We
control
should
is
probably
here.
come on without,
So
but it's not
keep going.
catch. I mean, come. That's on. But yeah, I think this is gonna be super exciting.
Let's see. Let me go back
Been
to.
working.
These dudes must be stopped talking. Oh wow. They were talking that whole time. They just stopped. Bessent and Greer. Wow. Okay.
End of Q1-ish, but
Are
a
they
lot
done? Okay,
happens.
good.
And
Yeah, they're done.
a lot
But I
of
mean,
different things come out. We wanted to.
Fed's mirror. The economy is more vulnerable to shocks because policy is restricted.
updates,
yeah.
That's what makes
So-
site migration, all of that. So, before announcing something big like this,
I might
You're gonna
argue
be
that there
speaking
is a
again.
geopolitical risk premium in the price of gold, but I don't see economic
took a little bit
consequences to
longer
that.
Right.
hoped,
So
but
yeah, that
we're
gold
not
is-
here.
yeah.
There's new risks to the outlook because of China's rare earth announcement.
Number one
Yeah, I mean,
update or big.
Yeah. Well,
Just to make sure
real quick, take a look
if
at
there are
the
issues with
what I typed to you, and you can change that or whatever, and it should clear it all up.
Get to it.
That's what I had to do yesterday.
am I sounding bad or is this for you?
No, you're fine. It's for you. It's for you. Like
Oh.
you, to not hear me all gurgly or whatever.
Later, we were
Okay.
so
Uh,
it's a little guys. I would say the guy's bigger than us, but we're
on my
right
on
in the
my
middle at all the top part.
on my input, right?
No, output.
Yeah,
I'm on default on both.
pronounced it.
Oh, okay.
On
So,
audio output, I'm on default. Yeah.
Yeah, just
do you have RTX, NVIDIA RTX chance?
just came out.
No.
Okay, so we got to figure that out for you.
No. And the default is in my little earbuds.
Got it.
But there is something here that says digital video. Oh, that's digital video effects. No effects.
No.
I'm not doing any screen share or backdrop deal.
Yeah, we just got your knitting room.
Yeah,
visuals.
exactly. I like that. That's good. I like the name. That was funny. I forgot who said that. That was perfect.
I can't remember either.
Was it Peeps? I don't know if it was Peeps or maybe it was Spad or
Yeah.
350 or something. One of these sarcastic suckers.
What's the chat interested in right now in trading? What are you guys interested in trading right now, or are you in any trades? Is anybody in any trades at the moment, or is anybody
Yeah, I
trading
know.
gold or the ES or Nasdaq at the moment? Maybe some Dow, maybe US 30, or even stock names. Let us know what you're trading, what you're interested in today, or just generally speaking, what you're interested in lately. Let us know in the chat. We'd love to discuss it while we're consolidating here in the ES and the
Tradovate
Nasdaq.
announcement.
The Dow's looking a little weaker, though, I will say. Dow is looking weaker. Not as much of a consolidation situation for the Dow. Not sure what to think about that. But
Yeah, so we don't have. I mean, we got nothing.
Total
coming
prices
up
spread across
data-wise
400
before
winners, and you keep
another
80% of
government
every
shutdown
dollar
day,
that you
so
profit
very
during the
thin,
live
aside
grand
from all the
final.
speakers.
Here's how the eliminations work. Week 1,
But Miriam's
trade,
gonna talk
compete,
again, Walter's
build your
gonna talk
account.
again.
At the end of week 1, all remaining traders advance to week 2. Week 2,
Barring
things get a
anything
little
else.
brutal. Every single day, the bottom 30% of traders
yeah, it's a
are
little- it's a
eliminated.
little-
Survive the daily
little
cuts, and at
quiet.
the end of week 2, only the top 200 will advance to the live grand finals. Stage 2, the live grand finals. The top 200 traders move to real live funded accounts. The trader with the highest total profit over those 2 weeks becomes a
you
grand
know
champion.
what's interesting?
Grand champion,
as we're
$200,000.
talking right now,
Second place, $120,000.
with, like, looking at the
Third
ES, the
place,
Nasdaq and stuff, we
$80,000.
touched on this in the
$1
market
million
yesterday.
in guaranteed rewards.
NVIDIA
Registration
is
opens
still
October
lagging
15th.
behind
The knockout round
generally
starts November 2nd.
yesterday.
This is your shot.
We
Are you ready?
only- We're at 181.68 right now. It's only up
Nice.
a $1.50 essentially from yesterday's close.
Hey,
But
what
it's
do we
having
think?
a hard time.
What do we
This
think?
is what
Seven-
we were talking about also yesterday
a
between you and I
seven-bagger,
when we were
a nice,
talking about NVIDIA, and
seven-figure
that felt like it was stuck. It's like
seven-figure
stuck in an
tournament.
area.
Yeah.
Super,
It
super
still
random.
You're always a
feels like
trader
it's
at heart,
stuck right
Brett.
now, which
Yeah,
is quite
exactly.
interesting. It's such
You
a
know, someone
nice
in
rally
our
that we've
one of our
had,
one of
you know,
our
both the Nasdaq,
boxes
the ES, and everything,
black today.
and the US 30.
But anyway, hopefully this is
Yeah, I'm
actually
quite intrigued by that.
the entry for this.
I read an
so I don't
article
know. Here,
yesterday.
go over it, Vinny. But
I think it was
the
after
reason
we
I
were
say
off the air
bagger
after
is,
market
I mean,
closed,
this is
and
a way I
it
teased
was
it a little
interesting.
bit
They're coming
ago,
out now, and they're all making calls.
it's actually going to be even less.
But
than
someone,
the
I
50,
forgot
but
who it
a
was.
way to turn
Someone was
$50
talking
to
about the
200K.
AI.
So that's what we're actually promoting here is that first place prize potential for whoever can. What even is that multiplier? I gotta math on that, but
I can't
it.
math with that.
a massive multiple. But anyway,
Yeah,
Vinny, run them through it.
Life-changing money. 200K first prize, even second place 120K. I mean, these are major life-changing prizes that we're going to give away in this tournament. Just maybe before I get straight into it, maybe if you could, Drew, put on the screen share that I have of the landing page. And while you do that, I mean, just to go back to how we came up with this. I mean, Tradefy is a firm full of gamers. Gamers, I mean, some of you that follow us, we do our gaming nights on Tradefy TV and in our Discord community. And we had this conversation quite a few months ago that trading would be an incredible esport, right? You know, where you could have professional gaming tournaments like they do on the video gaming side. We could do that on the trading side. Trading is a spectator sport. People like to see, trading with real jeopardy, with real prizes on the line. And that's what we wanted to come up with. And this is, our first attempt. There's a kind of a long-term vision for how we can build this up. But this is our kind of first product. I think it's going to be super exciting. So let's walk through how this tournament works. So this is from our knowledge, the world's biggest futures trading tournament. I know there's been a few tournaments. The unfortunate thing of us starting to do this at the start of this year and then pausing it is that the idea obviously got out there, and there have been a few other tournaments out there, but none at the scale of this tournament. So as the video said, there's going to be $1 million in guaranteed rewards that we're going to give out to the top performers in this tournament. First prize will be 200K. But the top 400 traders will all earn cash rewards. So this isn't just to try and hit first place and get a big first prize. All top 400 will make a decent amount of in terms of rewards on this. The top 200, I'm going to get into this when I talk about the structure of the tournament. But the other unique part of this is that the top 200 all get put into live funded accounts. So this is not just a sim tournament. The top 200 will shoot out in live accounts. The great thing about live accounts, this is real money. This is not sim. So anything you earn in those live accounts during the tournament, you get to keep on top of the rewards that we're going to give you for where you finish. So this is, to get into that top 200, it's going to be super exciting. The tournament is sponsored by Tradovate Prop, so they're going to be an exclusive partner on this tournament. So all participants will trade on the newly branded Tradovate Prop platform, and super thankful for the Ninja Trader team for backing us in this and sponsoring the tournament. And so let's get into the structure. Any questions on the chat? Maybe let's get into the structure first, and then we'll answer some questions. So how the tournament's going to work? The first stage. So when you enter, you can enter starting today. The entry is free if you're a Tradefy customer. So if you have an active evaluation account with Tradefy, or you have an active funded account, you can enter this tournament right now for free. There is no entry. If you are not a customer of Tradefy, you've got two options. You can buy an account, any account with us, and you'll get free entry that way. So you can think of any account purchase now, if you're a new trader, as getting kind of 2 for 1, you get the Grand Cup entry for free. Or you can pay $35 to enter just the tournament on its own. So you've got two options there. So the tournament is super accessible, free entry for our customers. And if you want to become a customer, then you get free entry that way as well. So once you enter, the tournament starts on the 2nd of November for 2 weeks. The first week is just building up your account. You have the opportunity to reset if you would like, up to 3 times. So there are limits on resets. There's no eliminations. It's just build up your account, and then whatever you end week 1 with, you start week 2. So the more you trade it, the more you build it up, the better chance you have of surviving week 2. And week 2 is where we'll start eliminating traders. So every day we will eliminate the bottom 30% based on the P&L of the account. So the bottom 30% P&Ls will be removed each day, all the way up until the Friday, where the top 400 will all get a guaranteed prize of at least 300 for 200 in first place to 400. And I'll show the prizes in a second. But the top 200 will then survive that knockout stage and go into the next stage. So after we find our top 200
Shoot, we
traders,
always do this. We gotta go.
you can see the account settings here, and I won't go through those. They're pretty standard 50K account settings. But once we've found the top 200 traders, we will spend 2 weeks setting up their live accounts just to get everything ready, working with our partner NinjaTrader. And all of these participants will get a equivalent 50K accounts with a 2K loss limit live account to trade with, which is, there's substantial potential in those accounts to earn money and generate
You
revenue
heard it here first.
in the actual
Not
account.
really, but if you were here,
these
you heard it here
200
first.
traders will shoot out for the prizes. So they'll
Anyways,
trade for 2 weeks.
Join the challenge,
and
get her
they
done,
get to keep
make it
80%
happen,
of the
guys.
profits. They also get to
We're
keep the
looking at
live
buying an
and trade
account
with us as the live
just to
trader,
be in the challenge,
even
just to
past
see what we can
the
do.
end date of the 12th.
Probably
And
be
just
one of the
one
first
final-
eliminated.
final, explanation. The prizes. I think we've gone through
but
the top 3 prizes: 200K,
we'll
120K.
likely do. This is
80K
a
for the
this
top
is
3, the
a
kind of podium
place
prizes. But you can
that
kind of see the top 10 all earn
Damn, I
kind
messed
of
up.
5-figure, substantial.
Money I
amounts
could have
for
used
getting
for
to the
it.
top 10. And even all the way up to the 100th place finisher will get at least $1,000 in rewards on top of what they earn in their live accounts. So there is, substantial potential to earn in this. So that's a kind of long explanation on the tournament. Let's any questions from the chat or any comments, Brett, from you on this?
Yeah, I think like Vinny said, this is the biggest futures competition out there. We plan to, hopefully have an amazing turnout to this. I think everyone's going to love it. We have a couple surprises in store too throughout the tournament that we're going to be coming on here talking about. Tradovate TV team's going to be covering it throughout the entire thing. But yeah, one thing I do want to highlight again, it's not just the top 10, not top 20, not top 30, not top 50, right? Top 400 people get prizes. So a tournament of this